and we, the people of the state of Colorado, believe that the canceling of Frisco, Colorado elections without due process is criminal. Along with the Colorado Republican Party, we are filing a formal complaint under Section 441 of the Voting Rights Act regarding the cancellation of elections in Frisco, Colorado, which appears to violate 18 U.S. Code Section 594 as an egregious intimidation of voters, and Title 18 U.S. Code Section 1957 for money laundering. This complaint is particularly egregious due to Frisco, Colorado's failure to participate in the Colorado Secretary of State's Tracer campaign finance reporting, allowing its candidates to evade Colorado 8 CCR 1505-6, while all other towns' candidates are required to comply with such reporting. The March 2024 decision by the town of Frisco, Colorado, to cancel its upcoming municipal elections without proper justification or adherence to established electoral procedures is deeply concerning. This action raises serious questions about the integrity of the Colorado electoral process and the protection of citizens' fundamental rights to participate in democracy free from intimidation and coercion. The cancellation of elections in Frisco, Colorado, could be seen as an act of voter intimidation under 18 U.S. Code Section 594, which prohibits individuals from using intimidation, threats, or coercion to interfere with the right to vote freely in any election. Furthermore, the failure of Frisco, Colorado, to participate in the Colorado Secretary of State's Tracer campaign finance reporting, while requiring compliance from candidates in other Colorado towns, raises suspicions of potential money laundering under Title 18 U.S. Code Section 1957 with the Secretary of State's Office, Governor's Office, and Campaign Finance Tracer Office with Colorado incumbents in Summit County. The United Women of the Colorado Women's Republican Ethics Committee urged the appropriate authorities to investigate this matter thoroughly and take immediate action to ensure that the rights of voters are protected and that the electoral process in Frisco, Colorado is conducted in a fair, transparent, and lawful manner, as well as financially audited under state and federal statute. Frisco, Colorado bad actors are destroying the essence of democracy while canceling elections without due process and with active candidates, and then by allowing its incumbents to evade campaign finance reporting for Colorado 8 CCR 1505-6. In Frisco, Colorado, they're an unfair electoral playing field, and Frisco, Colorado incumbents are egregiously violating federal and state laws governing campaign finance reporting while denying democracy and criminal retaliation, canceling elections with all their shenanigans based in geopolitical election crime, real estate money laundering intrigues, and cybercrime against the state of Colorado.
We, the people of the state of Colorado, believe that public official Kathleen Neal is violating children's rights in Summit County, while protecting Mark Thompson and other public employees who abuse children and senior citizens for personal and financial gain. We also believe public official Kathleen Neal has allowed public officials like Thomas Wickman and Mark Thompson, since 2002, to abuse children and senior citizens alike by denying them civil rights to complain, as Mr. Wickman showed in the John Benet Ramsey case before joining as Summit County Frisco Police Chief in 2002. Public official Kathleen Neal regarding the Christian Glass grand jury investigation on behalf of public officials like Mark Thompson and Thomas Wickman are protecting subordinates who are murdering innocent civilians.
We, the people of the state of Colorado and the Colorado Republican Ethics Committee, allege that public official Kathleen Neal is engaged in real estate racketeering by receiving financial kickbacks to protect land theft, obstruct justice, and launder money. Directly and indirectly, public official Kathleen Neal is pandering to foreign governments through a private political organization, special district, and real estate entity called United Water and Sanitation. Treasurer Kathleen Neal continues to realize a hidden financial gain while continuing to support a regime that fails to report crimes victimizing the very young and the very old of Summit County, Colorado, as Ms. Neal uses her title and authority to tamper with witnesses and directs her subordinates to retaliate against the innocent. Public official Kathleen Neal is retaliating against witnesses with regards to U.S. headwater contamination at the Continental Divide in Summit County, Colorado, affecting the entire U.S. water supply with heavy metal and forever chemicals multiple times the federal EPA limit. We the people of the state of Colorado believe that Summit County Treasurer Kathleen Neal was both directly and indirectly involved with Vail public official Ronald Braden in real estate embezzlement in multiple counties through Vail and Associates in collusion to pursue land title fraud, money laundering, and equity skimming against the elderly. On behalf of the Colorado Republican Ethics Committee, we believe public official Kathleen Neal is withholding state's evidence, while obstructing justice regarding Ronald Braden's computer crimes and real estate crimes of embezzlement, which investigation is currently in limbo, with the DOJ and the FBI. Past clerk and current treasurer of Summit County, Ms. Kathy Neal also has received campaign finance contributions from United Water and Sanitation Political Subdivision and Special District, as has Mark Thompson. Public official Kathleen Neal has conflicts of interests and is actively protecting realtor Jerry Hemminghouse and her now retired husband Mark Hemminghouse, who are closely aligned with the developers of the fraudulent multimillion-dollar swindle regarding the Dillon, Colorado, Uptown 240 project investigated by 9 News. Summit County Treasurer Kathleen Neal is actively protecting abuses by other public officials engaged in malfeasance and real estate crime through bogus title transfers, identity theft, money laundering, and protection rackets against retired senior citizens, in order to violate federal Sarbanes-Oxley and Dodd-Frank laws. Past clerk and current treasurer of Summit County, Ms. Kathy Neal also has received campaign finance contributions from United Water and Sanitation Political Subdivision and Special District, as has Mark Thompson. Exploiting graft, public official Kathleen Neal has been protecting violent geopolitical foreign cartels and geopolitical real estate mafia entities, who have infiltrated Summit County, Colorado by subversion and election violations through mail fraud. Summit County Treasurer Kathleen Neal is actively protecting abuses by other public officials engaged in malfeasance and real estate crime through bogus title transfers, identity theft, money laundering, and protection rackets against retired senior citizens, in order to violate federal Sarbanes-Oxley and Dodd-Frank laws. We the people of the state of Colorado believe that certain public officials have intentionally placed and protected, as a front for Russian cartel and Mexican crime cartels, hostile foreign agents, through the United Water and Sanitation Special District political party. United Water and Sanitation is based in offshore tax shelters by real estate title fraud under the name of the private political party United Water and Sanitation Special District, which political party was partly created by public official Kathleen Neal as a foreign tax shelter for other public officials.
We the people of the state of Colorado believe that public official Kathleen Neal has intentionally withheld reporting to the U.S. Department of Justice the bogus GIS mismapping of Summit County while the DOJ is suing Google for the same cybercrime in approximately 12 other U.S. states.